Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Twice a day. We recommend jade rolling twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening after washing your face. However, you can use the jade roller as many times as you want, whenever your face needs a moment of soothing calmness.
Take our lead.
How long do you roll for? Even if you only have a few minutes, you may still be able to get some of the distressing and depuffing benefits. A 2018 study showed that using a facial massage roller for just 5 minutes can increase blood flow to the cheeks. Using the roller for 10 minutes should be plenty. 31 January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cleaning your jade roller. When washing the roller, use warm, soapy water and a soft cloth. You can also soak the roller in a bowl of warm water and soap for a few minutes to give it an extra deep clean and help wash away and stubborn product buildup or dirt. 18 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If it's a fake, you can still use it. But if you're looking to promote good luck, prosperity and overall good health, then you're out of luck. If the stone is cold to the touch, the roller can still be used to depuff and increase circulation in the skin. 7 September 2018.
Take our lead.
Using a roller can slim the face. False. The only way to truly slim down or lose weight from any part of your body, the face included, is through nutrition and exercise. However, the depuffing potential of the facial roller may make your face look slimmer temporarily. 31 January 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.